Good afternoon, this is Van at Marinemax in Lewisville, Texas, and we are showing you today the NXT24. This boat is set up with a lot of seating area for all your friends and passengers, and it's rated for 16 people, so you can got a lot of seating here for those 16 friends that you might have. Again, it comes with the tower and the speakers, and also the fold-in board racks, which has the clamps here, so you can clamp your board instead of strapping it in. Here we have the full instrumentation, and of course all your analog gauges are here. And then over on this side we have our rear facing seat, which basically lifts up, and again you have storage here for your large boards or either extra storage for your gear. As we go forward, you'll find that we have a large bow area up here, again for your passengers. So this boat is very comfortable for a lot of people that you're going to be taking out for surfing and wakeboarding. If you need additional information, my name is Van, and we're at Marinemax in Lewisville, Texas, and we have all these boats on display, and we're glad to visit with you on them.